All right, we are going to be solving another interesting question under circuit analysis. And the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. All right, so if you look at the above circuit clearly, you are going to observe that we are having 200 ohms all through, 200 ohms, 200 ohms, 200 ohms, and so on and so forth. All right, so if you look at this circuit really well, you are going to observe that any current that enter into this branch will be the same current that is going to enter into this branch. Any current that enters into this branch will be the same current that will enter into this branch. So it therefore means 200 ohms here is in series with the 200 ohms here. 200 ohms here is in series with the 200 ohms here. So let's go with RT1, one after the other. So in series, we'll be adding the two of them. So 200 plus 200. This is going to give us what? 400 ohms. Let's bring it down. 400 ohms. All right, so the second one, RT2, will be equals to 200 plus 200, and this also will give us 400 ohms. All right, so now that we have combined these two, so we can therefore connect the wire directly. So let's connect the wire directly. All right, so I'm going to have something like this here. All right. All right. So we are going to have 400 ohms here. All right. So let's connect this one directly as well. All right. So I'm going to have something like this. So we're going to have 400 ohms here. All right. So if you look at this critically well, you are going to observe that this 400 ohms is in parallel with this 200 ohms. This 200 ohms is also in parallel with this. So you are going to observe that 400 ohms is parallel to 200 ohms. All right, so we can take the total resistance between these two, RT2, sorry, this one will be RT3, will be equals to 400 multiplied by 200 divided by 400 plus 200. All right, so if you do this, 400 multiplied by 200 divided by 200 plus 400 plus 200, that's going to give us 1.33.33. 133.33 ohms. All right, so all right, so similarly this one too is also going to give us 133.33, but in your exam you have to show all your work. So let's do it. 400 ohms is still parallel to 200 ohms. All right, so RT4 will be equals to 400 multiplied by 200 divided by 400 plus 200. So this is going to give us 133.33 ohms. All right, so now we can therefore now clean what we have here, join it directly with what is down here. All right, and this one too. All right, so now we are going to clean this. So this is going to give us 133.33 133.33 ohms. All right, so that's what we are going to have. All right, so if you look at this fully well now, you see that they are now in series. Exactly. So the equivalent resistance now between terminal A and B, arrow equivalent, will be equals to 133.33 plus 133.33. So this is going to give us what? 266.66 ohms. And here is the solution to the above question. See you on the next. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with your friends who might be in need of this. Thanks.